Welcome to section 7 of Basics of Human Face. Neck. Without neck, the portrait of this face is incomplete. So neck is compulsory when you are trying to do a portrait. What to do now? Simple. Neck is basically two parallel lines. Then what should be the length of neck? That's supposed to be length of neck. Question mark. What is the length of neck? It depends on the length of the face. If the person's face is a bit longer, it will be a bit longer. If the person's face is small, it will look longer. I just said it the other way. If the person's face is long, the neck will look shorter. So keep it short. And if the person's face is short, it will look longer. So this is a medium size face. So what you try to do here is choose to point. Which exact point? The point of the angle of the mandible. The point at which the mandible takes the sharp curve. So somewhere just below that. So I have chosen this and draw two parallel lines. This is too lengthy. It looks like a giraffe. Erase it. Is it still lengthy? Of course it is. Erase it. Is it still? Of course. Now, okay. Then draw a triangle. Draw a triangle. Draw two rectangles. And erase the imaginary lines. Erase the imaginary lines. Erase the upper lines of the rectangles. And that's how you draw the neck. Two parallel lines and two triangles which forms this neck. The length of the neck depends on what you're trying to draw, which type of person you're trying to draw. In this fashion, it's simple, it's easy. But when the neck is drawn from the side angle, that is when the person is looking sideways. Imagine this is the person. As you can see, the neck is composed of two parallel lines bit slanted. It's a bit too slanted. The correction factor is somewhere in millimeters. So even here it is two parallel lines. It has some angle by which the neck is bent forward. So you need not worry as a beginner, just try to focus on this part and two parallel lines and the length of the neck. Once you get there, it will be very easy for you. And one more thing, the junction between the neck and this thing won't be perpendicular. The mandible and neck junction won't be perpendicular. The junction will be, even though it is perpendicular, there will be a triangle connecting here. So there is a small tiny bit of triangle which is connected here. So make sure you get this triangle also properly and two parallel lines which is a bit slant but in line with the shoulder. And that's all. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.